Hi boys and girls, today we are going to continue our lesson with money. The last time we did the Trinidad and Tobago coins. So can you remember the different types of coins we did? Let's take a look. The numbers on the coin will help you to identify the types of coins that you did. This has a 1 on it, so it's a 1 cent coin. This has a 5 on it, so it's a 5 cent coin. This one has a 10 on it, so it's a 10-cent coin. And this is a 25-cent coin. Very good. Excellent. Now we are going to be looking today at Trinidad and Tobago dollar notes. And we are going to look closely at the $1 note, the $5 note, and the $10 note. So let's look at the $1 note. So let's look at the front of the $1 note. How do we know it's a $1 note? It has the number 1 on it. It also has the national bird of Trinidad and Tobago, the scarlet ibis. And do you remember what is this? It's the coat of arms. Yes. So in the front of the $1 note, you can see these things on it. Let's look at the back of the $1 note. At the back of the $1 note, you can see the dollar signs and the 1. There's also a nice building on it. The Central Bank building. This is a building in Port of Spain, the capital of Trinidad and Tobago. And what is the color of the $1 note? The color of the $1 note is red.
But so you know they just call those buildings with twin towers because they look the same.
Right, that's correct. The building is the Twin Towers. Let's look at the $5 note. How do you know it's a $5? Well, it has the number 5. And there's a special bird on the $5 note. It's called a motmot. And the coat of arms. And what color is the $5 note? It is green. Correct. At the back of the $5 note, we come across the same building, the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago, known as the Twin Towers. And as you can see, the dollar sign and the $5 is at the back. Let's look at the what kind of dollar is this? The number will help you identify the type of dollar it is. It is a $10 note. Yes. And the $10 note has a special bird on it also. The cockrico. Then the coat of arms. And you see the 10
But
at the
so
four
that's the coat
corners.
of arms of which country again?
The coat of arms of Trinidad and Tobago. And at the back of the $10 note, we come across this building. You remember the name of the building? The Central Bank, yes, of Trinidad and Tobago, or the Twin Towers. And the dollar sign is there, and the 10 is there also. And what color do you think is the $10 note? $10 note is the color gray. It is gray. So let's look and see at these dollars we have here. The common thing in the front of each of these dollars are the coat of arms
Of Trinidad.
of Trinidad and Tobago. The common thing at the back of each of the dollar notes will be the Twin Towers, or the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago. Why do you think they put the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago at the back there? A picture of the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago, the Twin Towers. Why? because that's where our money comes from, right? That is where all our funds are stored. So now let's look at what is different. We have different birds at the front of each note. The scarlet ibis, the motmot, the coquelicot, and at the back of the notes we have some different things there also. We have an energy plant, we have a market scene, and we have a port scene. So children, these are the dollars of Trinidad and Tobago. So these are the notes of Trinidad and Tobago, and we can also look at the colors being different. The dollar notes are what color? Red. The $5 are green, and the $10 are gray. So now that you have a better understanding of the dollars of Trinidad and Tobago and you can identify them, you now can help by using these dollars to buy and to sell things. Alright? So when you come to school and you have to go to the cafeteria, you will know how to use the dollars along with your coins to buy and sell things. Okay?
Is that?